Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Trading Secrets. So what we want to talk about in this video is by turning down the noise on your FX trading, then you'll be able to make more FX pips. Noise is not where you're sitting in a crowd in a room full of people and there's a lot of loud music playing. Basically, noise in trading is distractions. It would be lack of concentration. You're only given a limited amount of focus on your trading. Now, some of the examples of trading noise would be listening to trading talk shows, where sometimes they refer to as the talking heads. These people, by the time they announce whatever they're saying, it's already history, and you can't base any trades based on what they are saying. Trading news announcements. The news comes out and it says that it's potentially going to be good, and so you start trading on a strong direction on the currency pair that news is going in, and it goes the opposite direction. You can't trade the news announcements because 50% of the time they're going to go a different direction than what you think the news has said. Now, another thing is trading in smaller time frames. And I have an example here on the chart of a 5-minute chart. This is really hard to trade. There's a lot of noise in the market. See these two lines that I have here. One is the bid line and the other one is the ask line. That's the spread. So you can see that the market, it takes 20-30 minutes before it actually even moves to make up the spread. So that is, even though this looks like it might have been a good little trade, it was awfully hard to trade because all the noise. That's called noise in the trading market. Now, if you were to look at a larger time frame, it's still basically going sideways. Now, another thing about noise is if you don't have a trading plan, then you're just taking anything that happens to come along. You're listening to talk show, news announcements, you're trading smaller time frames, you're chasing trades. So you need a trading plan so you know exactly what you're wanting to see happen, and then you enter based on good trading signals. A noise is if you are only trading one currency pair. If this is the only currency pair you're trading, that's noise. It actually emotionally gets you upset because it's not allowing you to take a trade. So the thing you want to do is be able to develop skills to trade all of the currency pairs that your broker offers. And you can see I have a list of currency pairs here. So if you can learn to trade these currency pairs and only trade those that are moving that day, then that's when you're going to be getting out of the noise and you're actually trading what the market is trying to give to you. Now you're going to have some internal voice conflicts. You're talking to yourself. You're upset. You've had a loss in the past, and so you're relying upon that, and you're frightened, and you're anticipating you're going to make a lot of money, and so you get really confused. These things will cause a lot of noise in your mind. So you can take all these things in consideration. You don't even have a frame of mind that you could actually make decent trades. Now, noise does happen to beginning traders as well as seasoned traders. It's not just unique to one group of traders. You're never going to get past it. The difference between the successful traders and those who are not successful are the successful traders, they remain in tune with the market in their thoughts and their emotions and their logic and executing the signals that they see properly. So you need to be able to stay in the now, stay focused on what matters most in your trading right now. There's time for all the other stuff that you want to do as far as distractions that might happen. So here are some suggestions of cures to limit trading noise. Don't listen to the trading talk shows. Only trade around the time of the news. Don't be trading what you think the news is going to say. Do have a trading plan. Have trading goals and a plan of executing those goals. Now you need to keep records so you can monitor where you're at in those goals, and you can follow your success path. Be able to trade many currency pairs, not just one or two. Take only high probability trades, and that's, if you don't know how to figure out what a high probability trade is, we'll share with you some ideas in just a moment. Be focused on the moment. There's time for the vacation you're planning and the activities you're going to be having, or the distractions, the troubles you're having with your boss or something that's upsetting you outside of trading. And be sure and trade with a stop loss and a take profit. If you don't have those, then the further a trade goes against you, the louder the noise gets. Further the trade goes in your direction, the louder the noise gets. And so it's hard for you to be focused. Be focused on what's happening right now. The things that we talked about in the cures, having trading plans and goals, those are things that will help you to stay focused on what you're trying to accomplish. Now, you need to be in the moment. Now, this means you're not unduly concerned about things that have happened a few minutes ago, a few hours, a few days ago. Now, a lot of people can get concerned about a trade that they lost on, and so they're so concerned about it they're afraid to take a new trade. And also, if you had a very successful trade, you're so excited about that you think all the trades are going to be that successful, and so you may not take trades, or you get into more trades and you actually have a hard time controlling things. You think every trade is going to be a great success or a great loss. So those are things that cause noise. Sometimes noise can be caused by thinking too much about how far the trade might move. So you just need to learn some signals and do what the market is willing to do. Let it give you what it's willing to give you, and not get concerned about making a home run. You're going to have a lot more base hits than you will home runs, but when the home runs come, great, take them. When they don't come, take those base hits. So once you've learned a trading system and a few trading strategies, then become a mechanical trader. Do those things that are successful over and over again. This will actually soften the noise. Once you know what you're doing and you consistently do the same thing all the time, you are not affected by outside influences as much. So when you find what works for you, when you find a setups, when you find a trading system, don't try to reinvent it. Don't try and change it. Many people will change it if they have a loss. Many people will try and change it if they have a win. They want to make it even better. I could have made more. That's a noise. That's confusing your thought processes. In order to minimize the noise and see how other people are doing it, you can go to forexstrategysecrets.com and you can check out our free Jumpstart Strategy. This will help you to understand how to keep the noise down. But in addition to that, we're going to give you access to our trading room for 1 full month. You'll be able to come and see trades being taken, successful traders trading, and you can learn from that. And you can see how other traders are making hundreds of pips per day. And yes, there's a little bit of noise concerned by every trader, but you'll see that it can be greatly softened, and you can get the noise out of your trading environment so that you're really calm and in tune with the market, and you can really actually enjoy trading. Go visit our free Jumpstart Trading Strategy, and we'll see you in our trading room, and good luck in your trading.